to USDT deposit. Buy USDT. Enter USDT amount. Screenshot this page. Open Binance app. Open wallet. Withdraw. Withdraw USDT. Send via crypto network. Scan. Upload photo. Pick amount. Choose network TRC20. Then choose withdraw. Select send funds to myself. Private wallet. Confirm order. Screenshot this page. Check history. USDT withdraw success. End.